Hello students, today we will start our chapter Natural Vegetation. So first of all, what is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation refers to the plant cover that has not been disturbed over a long time so as to allow its individual species to adjust themselves fully to the climate and social conditions. So you can see grasses, shrubs and trees, they grow by themselves without any interference and forms natural vegetation. Next we'll see importance of forests. Forests have the following importance in our daily life. First one, productive functions. So, essential things for human beings, that is, like food, shelter, clothing, things like fruits, leaves, vegetables, wood, etc., are provided by the forest. Next, we'll say protective functions. Forests control the water flow, that is, the thick layer of humus in the forest prevents evaporation of water. The humus acts as a natural sponge and helps to soak the rainwater in the soil. So, it controls the water flow. Even forest binds the soil from soil erosion through its roots. Okay. Next point is regulatory functions. So, it regulates the oxygen and carbon dioxide balanced in atmosphere through photosynthesis. They also regulate the water cycle. That is, the trees absorb water from the ground, release water through transpiration to the atmosphere, which helps to form clouds and precipitation, which brings the water again to the soil. Okay, that is water cycle. Next is as accessory functions. Accessory functions of trees means that the forests provide habitat for the wildlife, that is home for the wildlife. And forest also provides aesthetics and recreation to human beings, that is aesthetics means beauty of the or pleasure we get from by seeing the forest. Okay, that is through national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, etc., isn't it? When we go inside the forest and see the greenery and animals, birds and all, we feel very happy, isn't it? Okay, next we'll see types of vegetation. So here the country can be divided into five major vegetation regions. They are tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, tropical desert, littoral and mountain forest. Okay. So first one we'll see tropical evergreen or rainforest. So first we'll see the climatic condition of evergreen forest. So here, as the name says, evergreen or rainforest, the forest is getting the annual rainfall is more than 250 centimeters. That is more rainfall the rainforests are receiving. Average annual temperature is between 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Next we'll see where do you find this type of forest. So this type of forest you can mainly found on the western slopes of Western Ghats, hills of northeast region, and the island groups of Lakshadweep, the Andaman and Nicobars, and Tamil Nadu coast. So next we'll go to the characteristic features. So here the evergreen or the rain forest are dense, multi-layered and have many types of trees and shrubs. As they get more rainfall, you can see the forest is very dense and multi-layered. Next you can see trees, they reach great heights of more than 60 meters or above. So next you can see the carpet layer of herbs and grasses cannot grow. Why they cannot grow? Because of the dense canopy of trees which do not allow enough sunlight to reach the ground. So the forest is so dense and multi-layered that the sun rays will not touch the ground. As a result, you can see the herbs and grasses cannot grow here. Next point, the trees in these forests do not have a fixed time to shed their leaves or to flower or fruiting. So that's why you can see this forest appears green in color all the year. So that's why the name tropical evergreen came here. Clear? Next we'll see various trees. Trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany, gurjan, etc. These type of trees you can find here in evergreen forest. Next we'll see economic value of evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests produce various plant species of high economic value. You can see timber produce a hard, durable and fine grained. But these trees or it is not fully exploited. Okay, so why it is not fully exploited? Because of lack of transportation, and you can see it is multi-layered dense forest. People they cannot go inside the forest. Okay, and same variety of species you will not find in one place. Okay, so all these reasons make the evergreen forest not to be fully exploited. Next we'll go to the next forest, that is tropical deciduous forest. These forests are known as the monsoon forest also. Okay. So this forest is divided into two types. They are the moist deciduous forest and the dry deciduous forest. So first we'll see the moist deciduous forest. So the climatic conditions. So the annual rainfall is 100 centimeters to 200 centimeters and the temperature is of 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. And where do you find this type of forest, that is moist deciduous forest? You can find this type of forest in northeastern parts of peninsula, foothills of Himalayas and eastern slopes of Western Ghats, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Next we'll see the characteristic features of moist deciduous forest. So this type of forest, they shed their leaves from 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, that is during spring and early summers. Next, a particular species can be found over a large area. As a result, you can see they are commercially most exploited forests of India. So the common trees found here are sandalwood, mulberry, sal, arjun, etc. Economic value. So, as this type of trees are particular species can be found in one large area, they are commercially most exploited. Okay, so you can see here, besides providing valuable timbers, they provide various other products also. And even sandalwoods are found more in these forests, and they are in great demand in India and abroad. Next we'll see dry deciduous forest. So the climatic condition of this forest is temperature is of 23 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall is between 70 to 100 centimeters. Distribution, you can see this type of forest can be seen in the foothills of the Himalayas to Kanyakumari, except in Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Western Ghats, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Characteristic features of dry deciduous forest. Moist, moist deciduous forest can be seen in the east and tropical thorn forest in the west. Okay, so moist type of deciduous forest can be seen in the east, and the tropical thorn forest can be seen in the west parts here. So during the dry season, the trees in this forest, they shed their leaves completely. Okay, so there will be no leaves at all on the trees. It will be naked type. So common trees found in this type of forest are teak, sal, rosewood, tendu, etc. Next, economic value. Economic value. The trees of these forests provide timber, fruits, and other useful products. Large tracts of these forests have been cleared for agricultural activities also. So here you can see the map of the natural vegetation. So you can see different colors are also used for different vegetations. Okay. So I hope this topic was clear to you. So go through the topic once again. So thank you, children.